Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can keep the notification center in Windows 11 to at the top of every window. So by default, when you click on the notification icon present on the taskbar, the notification center opens. And as soon as you click on anything else on the screen, the notification center is automatically disappeared or closed. Now by the end of this video, I will show you how to keep it open until you close it or you manually disable it. So all you need to do is simply right click on the start button and select run. In run window, type REGEDIT and press the enter key or click run. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. When the registry editor window opens, you have to go to HKey local machine software, Microsoft Windows, current version, immersive shell, launcher. When you arrive to the launcher registry key, in the corresponding right pane you have to do a right click and select new, then dword value. Name the newly created registry dword as disable light dismiss. Write it exactly as it is shown in this video. Now just double click on this newly created registry dword value and simply set its value data to 1. Once this is done, you can close or minimize the registry editor. Now to check, you have to simply click on the notification bell icon on the taskbar. As usual, the notification center is now open, but now if you click anything else on the screen, the notification center will stay open. For example, I opened the File Explorer. Still the notification center is there. And if I like, I can manually close the notification center by clicking on the bell icon. So as you can see that once I click on the bell icon, notification center is disappeared. One more time I click on the bell icon and the notification center is back. And still, if I try to open the start menu, you can see that I can browse through start menu. Still the notification center is there. Even if I open the settings app, notification center is always open and always on top. And if you like to restore the default behavior, that is the notification center to be closed automatically, you can simply revert the registry changes you have made. So you simply go to the same registry location I mentioned earlier, and there you have to simply right click on the disable light dismiss registry dword value which we created and select delete. Click yes in the confirmation prompt. Once the registry dword has been deleted, you will see the changes effective immediately. And when you click on the notification bell icon, you can see that the notification center appears, but as soon as you click on anything else, notification center disappears. So that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.